I thought I liked those. Wait a minute, cause if this is what I think it is, I'm about to be hyped.
Trap house, trapped out.
What they talking about? Yeah. Racks out, watch me cash.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sweetniyah, and I have an unboxing today. This is my first unboxing from Jluxlabel on Instagram at JLUXLABEL. So right now I have a package just came in the mail. Let me show you guys the package. This is the package from Jluxlabel. So let me give you a little backstory on the package and how I received it and what happened. So basically, I entered a contest on Jluxlabel Instagram. They were doing like this huge giveaway every day for like the week of Christmas or something like that, or the week of the month of December. And I entered for a free giveaway, and that I won. I won a free giveaway. They announced it on December 14th. And today is January 22nd, and I'm just receiving the package, well, the giveaway, and I'm going to see what it is, because it's supposed to be like a surprise or something like that. So let's get right into it, because I'm super excited. I've been waiting long enough. I'm ready, y'all. I'm ready to see what they send. I love their clothes. I love it. I love it. Let's open this. How can we open this? Let's get ghetto. Ugh. There we go. Poke a little hole in it. I'm about to bring this package. It's so cute. I wonder what I got, y'all. Let's see. Ugh. Oh, this taking fat. Oh, they. Ugh. Okay. I'm making some way here. There it is. Oh, I wonder what I got. First thing I see. Come on with the snake pattern. Come on with the snake pattern. Okay, what is this? So let me see how many pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. Come on, J-Love. So getting excited. Ugh. Okay. So this is Jlux, what is it? Snake pattern. Let's see what it is. I got these in a large. They did ask me my size. And these are snake pattern pants. I'm so excited. I can't wait to wear these. This is cute. I want to do a try on for y'all. So they have the snake pattern pants I got in the large from, again, Jluxlabel. Let's do the next one. Okay, put that behind me. Another snake pattern. Maybe it's a shirt or a dress. Let's see. Open this. Mind you guys, this material. Let's check this out first. What is that? It's a bodysuit. It's a bodysuit. A snake pattern bodysuit. And it's a thong bodysuit. Okay? She came through. This material is super soft. It feels like high end. It has pretty good stretch. Pretty good stretch on it. This is very nice. And the snake pattern is like, it like glimmers on the light. If you can see. It like shines and reflects the light. This is very nice. Thank you, Jlux. Thank you. All right, let's see. What else we have? Okay. Okay, so this is like, oh, it's like the same thing almost. So this is the medium. I think that bodysuit was a medium too. Because I think I asked for mediums and tops and large on the bottom. So here's another top. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh. Okay, so it's a long sleeve one. And it's like a snake pattern, but it's like almost a peach kind of tan color. Can you get that? Like a hint of pink, but like a peach tan. So it's basically, was like a mock neck turtleneck, whatever you want to call it, long sleeve. But it's a bodysuit with the thong bodysuit with the zippering in the front from Jluxlabel. I like this. I can see myself wearing something like this on Valentine's Day. Maybe if I do like a dinner date, maybe that with like even some black pants or even some jeans that is more like casual, dressed down. Oh, what's this? Okay, so we got the same pattern again, the peach kind of tan snake. What's that a snake? It's like crocodile. It's like, it's giving me crocodile, alligator kind of. Yeah, it's not even a snake. Okay, so this one is a regular crew neck, no sleeves, and it's a thong bodysuit. Oh my God. See, think about me, right? I don't usually wear bodysuits because I think it make me look funny. But I'm going to try this on. I'm going to try this on. Can you guys see it? It's like shining off the light. But yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Very high quality fabric too. I'm feeling this fabric and I'm loving the way it stretches and the way it feels like nice and cool. Like, this is very nice, and it's a medium. I like this. Very nice, Jlux. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, they just racked us up on the crocodile skin. They racking us up on the crocodile skin. What's this? Don't tell me I got another shirt. This is about to come in like, all right. Different flavors. What's this one? Okay. Another one, I think. Is it the same as the other one? Yeah, crew neck, no sleeves, though. Okay. They must want me to like match with somebody or like give it someone to wear at the same time. I don't know. But I think that's the same. Is it the same as this one? Yeah, it's the same. Medium and medium. Two are the same. And make sure I'm right. Yeah. Two are the same. Peach kind of tan bodysuits. Crocodile skin. Okay, it's cute. What's this? We got another of the snake pattern here. And this snake pattern, I'm really loving it because of the way, like I said, that it shines off the light. It's like almost a glimmer to it, like with both of them. It's like a glimmer, like kind of shine to it. We got another thong bodysuit. Little stretch. But very nice quality. And it has the zipper in the back. Okay. Very cute. And the inside has cloth like cotton material on the inside, which is pretty nice. And it's gonna be nice and breathable too. I thought I liked those. Wait a minute, cause if this is what I think it is, I'm about to be hyped. Okay, I think it's my last piece. This one gotta be a drum roll for this one because let me make sure there's nothing else in here. I know we good. Where's the else in this? This is the only one that comes in this pattern. I don't know what it is. Let me see what size it is. I can probably guess. It's a medium. What is it going to be? Probably a dress. Oh my God. It's probably a dress. It said on the outside, a leopard Medea ruche dress. Leopard Medea ruche dress. Can you guys see that? I don't know. You probably can't. Ooh, the light. Okay, let's get it open. It's a medium. It's a ruche dress. Okay, I lied about the other one. This gonna have to be my Valentine's Day dress. Oh no, they did. Who's gonna be wearing this? Who's gonna be wearing this? Oh, 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 oh. Come on now, Jlux. She trying to get me sexy. I'm excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Yeah. She wearing this. She gonna wear this. This the one. This the one right here. You see that? Ruched. All the way, it looks like it's like maybe right above my ankles. A little bit. Probably mid-calf. It looks like it's gonna be like mid-calf for me. Or right below. Yeah. Right below my knees. Yeah, once y'all look at it now, yeah. Right above my knees. Right below my knees, I mean. This is going to be Come on. I'm looking at the stretch because you want to take this girl. The girl got body. And when she fill this out, it's going to be something to mess with. You hear me? Again, Jlux. Guys, that's it for the unboxing. How many pieces is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I have 7. I have 7 pieces for my unboxing from the giveaway box that I won from Jlux. Thank you so much, Jlux. Please make sure you follow them on Instagram at Jluxlabel. And that's it for my unboxing, guys. I love my items, and I will post a picture when I wear them. Bye, guys. Hey guys, so this is one of the outfits that I wore the one I said I was going to wear on Valentine's Day. I actually decided to wear for my boyfriend's birthday, and I was smoking hot. Thanks again, Jlux. This dress was perfect. Love you guys.